In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clip layers in Krita in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful technique when you want one layer to only appear where another layer already has content. It's great for shading, highlights, textures, and all kinds of non-destructive editing inside your artwork. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Krita tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Krita and make sure you have a document ready. To clip one layer to another, you need at least two layers. Start by creating a base layer and adding some paint or content to it. This lower layer is important because it will act as the foundation that controls what shows through. Next, add a new layer above the base layer. You can do this from the layers docker by clicking the plus icon or using your usual new layer shortcut. This top layer is the one you want to clip, so make sure it sits directly above the layer you want to use as the base. Now click on the top layer to select it. This part matters because the clipping option applies to the active layer. Once the top layer is selected, look in the layers docker for the alpha inheritance icon. It usually looks like a small alpha symbol or an infinity style icon, depending on your version and key map. When you click it, Krita will turn that layer into a clipped layer. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl Shift G, depending on your version or keyboard setup. That shortcut toggles alpha inheritance and is often the fastest way to clip a layer once you get used to it. After enabling it, you'll notice the top layer only appears where the lower layer has opacity. In other words, the clipped layer is now limited by the pixels on the base layer. This is incredibly helpful if you want to paint shading only inside the shape of an object, add highlights without going outside the edges, or place texture inside a specific area. Instead of erasing or masking manually, clipping lets you work much faster and keep everything editable. If you move or change the base layer, the clipped layer updates with it automatically, which gives you a lot of flexibility while editing. If the clipping does not seem to work right away, double check that the top layer is actually above the base layer and that the base layer contains visible opacity. A completely empty layer won't reveal anything on the clipped layer. Also make sure you selected the correct layer before turning on the alpha inheritance icon. And that's really all there is to it. Clip the top layer to the layer below, paint on the clipped layer, and Krita will only show it where the base layer exists. It's a simple feature, but once you start using it, it becomes one of the most useful tools in your workflow. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Krita tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.